Good evening everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Lava launches Yuva 3 Pro, Vivo unveils S18 series in China, WhatsApp introduces emoji replacement management, Google adds @button shortcut in docs and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Lava introduces the Yuva 3 Pro as the successor to the Yuva 2 Pro. Features a 6.5-inch IPS LCD with HD+ resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. Equipped with Unisoc T616 chipset, 8GB RAM and 128GB storage expandable. Rear camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main shooter and AI auxiliary module. Significant updates from the previous Yuva 2 Pro model. Offers noticeable performance gain with the updated chipset, focuses on providing a competitive budget option. Next we have Vivo unveils S18 series in China. Vivo launches the S18, S18 Pro and S18e smartphones in the S18 series. S18 and S18 Pro features a 6.78-inch FHD plus 120Hz curved AMOLED display, boasts a 50-megapixel autofocus front camera with dual soft LED flash. S18 Pro powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9200 plus 16GB RAM and 4023mm VC vapor chamber. S18 equipped with Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 up to 16GB RAM and a 50-megapixel rear camera. Both phones include a 5000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging. Offers enhanced camera capabilities and powerful performance. WhatsApp rolls out a new feature to manage emoji replacement. Currently available for Windows desktop beta testers. Users can deactivate text to emoji replacement for increased control. Feature introduced in Windows 2.2350.3.0 update. Allows users to maintain the original intent and tone of messages. Aims to enhance user preferences and communication style. Represents a step towards more personalized messaging. Google introduces a prominent @button shortcut in Google Docs. Mimics the functionality of the regular smart chip for people and other elements. Enhances accessibility by placing the button more prominently. Simplifies the process of adding smart chips within the Docs interface. Provides quick access to people, dates and various building blocks. Aims to encourage users to utilize the smart chip feature more effectively. Enhances user experience in document creation. Asus launches the ZenBook 14 OLED laptop. Features an all-metal design with a weight of 1.2 kg. Houses a 75-watt battery offering up to 15 hours of backup. An Intel Evo Edition laptop with AI-powered Intel Core Ultra processors priced at $1,299 and available in select regions. Intel Core Ultra processors deliver high performance and low power processing. India launch details yet to be revealed. Next up we have YouTube announces a change for TV viewers, showing fewer ad breaks. Longer advertisements may be presented to compensate for fewer breaks. Testing different ways of displaying ads on connected TVs. Viewers expect a different ad experience for long-form content on TV screens. Aims to improve user experience and viewer satisfaction. Google evaluates the impact of fewer longer ad breaks on user engagement. Seeks to strike a balance between ad frequency and content enjoyment. At last, Netflix releases Grand Theft Auto GTA games in the GTA The Trilogy. The Definitive Edition includes Grand Theft Auto 3, GTA Vice City and GTA San Andreas. Updated versions for mobile available to download for Netflix subscribers. Also available separately with Rockstar listed as the publisher. Netflix subscribers can access the games through the Netflix mobile app. Offers a nostalgic gaming experience for fans of the GTA series. Represents Netflix foray into gaming content delivery. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।